about yourself and what matters. Like, why we wake up? Is this a fight or get fatter? Sound like everyone is trying to find a way to climb the ladder. We have emotions to be happy, mad, but I'm just feeling sadder. Hold on, wait, I ain't making sense cause I just jumped the fence. Listen close, cause what I'm finna say, shit gon' get intense. Don't fall in love, she don't fuck with you, she shop at your expense. Keep a Glock, always keep it cocked, use it for defense. Man, this world is just so evil, everything you just be wicked. Some people can't endure the pain, they off themselves to get the ticket. Red saber talk, try to understand like Jada Pinkett. To be honest, you don't know shit, don't nobody fucking get it. Yeah, on some real shit, that's some deep shit. Like, thinking about it though, like, yeah. Dying to live, living to die. Don't know why, but we all cry. Tryna live our lives to the fullest until we reach the sky. Can't be deep in my thoughts when I'm sober, gotta get high. When I low, leave the earth.